Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Xiaomi device to MEDIATEK KT107. First of all, go into Play Store on both of them, click on the search bar, type Send Anywhere and download this app from this developer. After that, open it. Now you need to click on I accept, confirm, continue, OK, continue, and allow. Then click on Receive on tablet and Send on Xiaomi. After that, click on all of those dots and choose Send in order to send all of your files. It will take some time though, so I will only go with this one photo, tap Send, and click Got it. From here we have two ways to connect. You can scan QR code by clicking on the scanning icon over here, tapping on Allow, and pointing your device's camera at the code. But I don't want to do that, so I will just input this key real quick and tap on Receive. As you can see, my photo was successfully transferred. You can always check it out for sure though by going into, in my case, Gallery and tapping on Send Anywhere folder. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!